Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use RAR app in order to pack any files into RAR or zip archives. So in order to do this, let's open the app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's move to the folder that contains our files, and in this case it's TCIM and then camera. From here, select each file that you want to pack, click on this plus button. From here we can change any archiving options, so pick a name for this archive, change its extension. If you want, you can set the passwords, but it's optional. Delete files after archiving or create solid archives. Adjust any of these options. You can move to advanced to change any other more advanced settings. In the options there will be more options, and in the comment you can leave any comment about this archive. Click OK when it's done, and as you can see, we've just created our RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.